Day 3. Well done if you completed the previous 2 days of this challenge. You are on the road to become a high-earning freelancer and, of course, $100 richer in less than 11 days. You're making money moves, literally. Doesn't it feel good to make decision that improves your future? Just a quick disclaimer, there is a bit of background noise. Can you hear the rooster and all of these things in my videos? I bet you haven't watched an educational YouTube video with a rooster in the background. It's the first time for everything. But like I said in day 1, production is what it is right now because I'm traveling, living this location freedom life, but I'm still here to deliver value. So just keep that in mind as you're watching the video if the noise is disturbing you. I am so sorry for that, but moving on. In today's video, I'm going to help you to identify what freelance service you can sell. Here is how you can identify what service to sell. If you don't have a service to sell, then think along these lines. What do you have experience in? It can be something that you're good at, something that you've studied, or something that you worked in. So the whole purpose of freelancing is offering services to clients that are looking for it. So if you don't have a service to offer, then you can't freelance. Simple as that. So if you don't have a service yet, then I would suggest to pause this video and identify what you are going to sell as a freelancer, and then continue watching once you've done that. How to research demand. Now, if you do have a service to sell, then start researching the demand for that service. Here's how you can do it on Upwork. Look at these 3 things while identifying demand, okay? So what's in demand? This will give you an idea of what your potentials are with this service. Number 2, look at fees, like what are clients actually paying for this service? This will give you an idea of what your earning potentials are. And let me just put this out there. Don't you ever lower your price. Lowering your price is not a good strategy to get clients. Instead of lowering your prices, show how valuable you are to your clients, and that will give you longevity as a freelancer. After identifying the demand, the price, the fee structure, then also research your competition. How many freelancers apply for these jobs? This will give you an idea of your competition in this space and what you need to do to stand out. With the information you get from your research, start thinking about how you would structure your profile and services. Guys, don't forget that Digineer provides plenty of resources in this department. So if you just want more information, then visit the blog. For profile creation, assistance, writing your profile, get this template. Moving on, how to identify your target customer, your target client, how you identify them and why. I'm going to show you 2 ways to identify your target clients. There are many ways to do that actually, but here's 2 of them. Number 1, use search engines or AI to identify who your target client is. The second way you can research is through Upwork. So go through all the requests that are there and then identify who is actually searching for freelancer or who is looking to hire for those gigs. Why knowing your target customer is important? Why do you want to know your target customer? If you know who you're selling to, you know who you're talking to. Knowing that will make it significantly easier for you to show them how valuable your service are to them. And in result, this would set you apart from your competitors, as well as increasing your chances of landing gigs. More gigs equal more money. Are you with me? Take all these things into consideration when deciding what service to sell. It is a lot, I know, but you can do this, okay? And you're learning how to fish, remember? Don't forget that. Don't forget to use the comment section if you need help with anything. I will literally respond to everything that I see. If you want to know anything that I'm teaching in these 14 days in great detail, so especially centered around the profile creation, being client-oriented, how to think around freelancing, then really get the Create a Winning Profile course. In these videos, I'm explaining to you how to do it, But in the course, I'm actually demonstrating how this is done. I'm just showing you like how you do conduct those researches and how you think, the mindset you need, and everything like that. So it's a great investment. This course is created for freelancing, but you can apply this to anything that has to do with profile creation, whether it's LinkedIn, a CV. It will work for all of those things too. Well done, everybody. See you in day 4.